How to tape your wrist for volleyball. If you are a volleyball player, you know how important it is to keep your wrists safe during games. One effective way to do this is through wrist taping. Let's break down how to tape your wrist properly for volleyball to help prevent injuries. First, start with preparation. Make sure your wrist is clean and dry. This helps the tape stick better. If you have sensitive skin, consider using a prewrap. This will protect your skin from irritation caused by the tape. Next, if you decide to use prewrap, wrap it around your wrist and hand in a circular motion. This will help prevent the athletic tape from pulling on your skin. However, keep in mind that using prewrap may slightly reduce the tape's effectiveness. Now, let's move on to the anchor strips. Take your athletic tape and create anchor strips. Place one strip around your forearm just above the wrist and another strip around your hand. When applying the tape between your thumb and index finger, fold it under itself on the thumb side. This will help avoid pinching your skin. After setting the anchors, it's time for the X strips. Apply two strips of tape from the anchor on your forearm to the anchor on your hand. This will form an X shape. Place the X on the palm side of your wrist to prevent hyperextension or on the back to prevent hyperflexion. This technique is especially useful for volleyball players who often jump and land, putting stress on their wrists. Next, we will create a figure 8 wrap. Start by placing a strip of tape over the anchor on the palm of your hand. Pass it through the space between your thumb and index finger, folding the tape as before. Then, wrap it around the bottom of your hand to the wrist. Continue wrapping in a circular motion until you cover the anchor strip on your wrist. This will provide additional support and stability. Finally, do a check. Make sure your wrist is in a neutral position and that the tape is not too tight. You should be able to move your wrist comfortably without feeling restricted. By following these steps, you can effectively tape your wrist to enhance stability and reduce the risk of injury during volleyball games. Adjust the tension of the tape according to your comfort and the specific demands of your position in volleyball. Happy playing!